In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove headers, specifically the first row of letters and the column of numbers in Google Sheets. It's a task that might seem challenging at first because Google Sheets doesn't provide a direct button or option to simply hide those header rows and columns. However, there is an effective workaround that we'll explore together, step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheets document. This is where we will execute all the steps necessary to remove those pesky headers. If you haven't created a new sheet yet, or if you don't have one loaded up, take a moment to do so now because it's crucial for the following steps. Once your Google Sheets document is open, direct your attention to the top left to find the File menu. Click on File, which will open a drop-down list containing several options related to your document. Here, you're going to look for the Share option. It's an important step in the process because sharing gives us access to more advanced settings. Following that, locate the Publish to Web feature. You might not have used this feature often, but it's quite useful for our current objective. Select Publish to Web, and you will see a new dialog box appear. This box provides several options on how your document can be shared publicly. Now, within this dialog box, look for the drop-down menu that specifies what you want to publish. You should see an option called Entire Document, but for this method, you'll want to narrow it down to one specific worksheet. So, go ahead and select Sheet 1 from the drop-down menu under the Link section. This ensures we're only working with one particular part of your spreadsheet, which keeps things straightforward. After selecting Sheet 1, here's a tip to make things smoother. Click on Sheet 1 once more to ensure that's the worksheet currently highlighted. This step is essential to prevent any unnecessary complications or adjustments later on. Once you've confirmed that Sheet 1 is correctly selected, you'll see a link or URL generated for you. This URL is crucial because it allows us to view your sheet without those distracting headers. Highlight the URL by clicking and dragging over it. Finally, the simple act of copying this URL becomes the last step. You can do this by right-clicking the highlighted area and choosing Copy, or by using your keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C on Windows, or Command+C on Mac. With that, you now have a link to your Google Sheet that, when accessed, won't display the first row of letters and the column of numbers as headers. This method offers a clean, uninterrupted view of your data. Whether you're presenting data internally or embedding it into another platform, this approach helps maintain a tidy and professional look. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you achieve a clutter-free view in your future Google Sheets projects.